Hey, what's up everyone? 2010 Nissan Altima brake bulb and housing replacement. First, pop the trunk. We're going to come over here and get this little clip off. You could maybe pull this out or pop the top of it loose, and then the bottom will become loose and you can pull it out. We're going to pull back this fabric right here, and you should see this wiring right here. Go ahead and pull this wiring guide clips off of these studs. These studs are actually what holds the housing in. These are 8 millimeters. We're going to get these off. You'll probably need a ratchet or a wrench, but go ahead and get these two 8 millimeter nuts off. Alright, so get those, and once these are out, you should be able to pull this out. It might be a little stiff depending on what part of the country you're in, but this will pull out. Here are the bulbs. To get them out, you just twist this and pull it out. If you're replacing your bulb, just pull the bulb out gently. Don't squeeze it though and pop it and cut your fingers. Just pull it out gently, like wiggle it till it comes loose. If you're going to get a new one, just put it back in with your new one, and then you just screw it back in like this. And this is the procedure for all the bulbs, reverse, blinker, and brake bulb. And if you're going to get a whole new assembly, you'll take all these bulbs out, and then you'll get your new housing, and you'll just put them all in your new housing. So yeah, but yeah, that's how you change the bulbs. When you put it back in, make sure these pegs line up, and you know, like I said, if you're doing a whole new housing, then just switch these bulbs to your new housing. It's not a big deal. When we're putting it together, make sure these pegs line up in these holes right here. We're gonna put it back in, and gently make sure they're all lined up, and then you could put your nuts back on these studs to tighten it down. They don't have to be mega tight, just snug it down real good, and then put these connector guides back on it like that. I would test it before you button everything back up, like, you know, have someone hit the brakes or hit the lights on for yourself. We'll put this clip back in. This clip kind of works like this. The top piece comes up, and then it'll become looser, and then when you put it back in, you put the bottom piece in first, and then you push the top piece down. And that's it, guys. So I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.